Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my current retinol moisturizer. So I've been using retinol for around 3 or 4 years. I think I started around 2019 or 2020. So far I've only tried the Olay retinol cream, the advanced clinical retinol cream, and the Neutrogena retinol regenerating cream. Currently I don't have the olay one, so I'm going to talk about these two only today. I think I'm gonna start with the Neutrogena one. So I got this in Singapore for around $30 and one jar of this is 48 gram. I think for retinol cream it's quite pricey, so this kind of pricing is quite normal. So yeah, anyways, this is how the texture looks. The cream is quite yellow and quite creamy also. This is how it looks. Once I apply it to my skin, I can feel my skin getting smoother instantly. I've been using this every night for around 1 month and so far I didn't notice any bad side effect like purging or tingling. So yeah, I think it's quite gentle in my opinion, but if you have more sensitive skin or your skin is prone to acne, I think you should do it carefully. So yeah, the next The next moisturizer is the advanced clinical one. I think if you guys watch my older videos, I talk about this a lot and I've been repurchasing this for around 3 or 2 times already. Compared to the Neutrogena one, the cream is more light and bouncy. So this is how it looks. In the beginning when I use this cream, I feel like my skin is tingling a little bit, but after a while, around 1 month or 2 months, my skin is used to it already. But even when my skin is tingling, it doesn't purge or become more red than before. So I think it's because my skin is quite strong. So yeah. Anyway, usually after I use my retinol cream, I will use this cream from Bioderma. This is the Bioderma Ultra Nourishing Moisturizing Cream. So this is like just a basic moisturizer to make sure that the retinol is not too potent, or sometimes when my skin is more sensitive I will use this to reduce the tingle or the redness. This one is just like a basic moisturizer and the texture is very thick and very creamy, supposed to soothe your skin after retinol. But you don't have to use this, you can use other moisturizer too, but personally I like this Bioderma a lot. After I apply it on my skin, it becomes very glossy, which I personally like. It makes my skin very moist, and in the morning when I wake up, my skin is more smoother than before. I'm not sure if it's because of the retinol or it's because of this. But every time I use retinol, I always combine it with this cream here. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope the review is useful. If you are starting to use retinol, I think better to use it slowly and see how your skin will react. If your skin is okay, then you can increase slowly a little bit. Anyways, I think that's it for today. I hope the video is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.